Good day, everyone. Today I will be discussing the ethical issue faced by H&M, one of the largest fashion retailer. H&M has built its reputation on offering trendy and affordable clothing worldwide, but behind this success are serious ethical concerns, especially around how the product are made and impact his on people on planet. In this presentation, I will explore what these issues are, how the company has responded, how effective this action has been, and finally, what H&M can do to people its ethical consider in the future. Now come to the second slide, ethical issue in H&M. H&M biggest ethical challenge fall into three main areas: labor practice, environmental impact, and greenwashing. The first company has been critical for labor exploitation. Many of the H&M clothes are made in countries like Bangladesh, Cambodia, where the worker often face unsafe conditions, long hours, and extremely low pay, sometimes not even enough to meet basic living cost. Second, the environmental impact of fast fashion is huge. The constant production of cheap clothing lead to the massive water usage, chemical pollution, and textile water that often end up in the landfill. Lastly, H&M has been accused of greenwashing, promoting it as sustainable when it really on one portion of its operation meet truly sustainable standards. These issues raised serious ethical questions about how company balance profit with social and environmental responsibility. Our third slide is about company action and effectiveness. In response to these criticism, H&M has been taken several action to improve and practice. One major initiative in the conscious collection clothing line made a recycled and organized material designed to reduce environmental damage. H&M also started publishing sustainable reports and made its supplier list public, which increase transparency and allow consumer to see where their clothes are made. The company has also announced ambitious goals such as becoming climate position positive by 2040 by using 100% sustainable or recycled material by 2030. While these are positive steps, these effective remain questionable. Many independent report that only a small part of H&M production is truly sustainable and worker is supplied factory learn earn low wages. Also through H&M has made progressive, it still has long way to go to prove action match its promises. In slide number 4, recommendation for H&M to move toward genuine ethical improvement. H&M should focus on the key areas. First, ensure that all workers across the supply chain receive living wages and work in safe condition. Second, introduce independent audit of factory to verify that ethical standards are being met instead of relying self-reporting. Third, H&M should invest more circular fashion. And final, the company need to be fully transparent about its sustainability claim, avoiding exaggerated marketing while building great trust with consumer and prove that the commitment to ethical is real. These actions would help H&M move from being a fast fashion brand to lead a responsible and sustainable fashion. In slide number 5, in conclusion, H&M has made progress by acknowledging its ethical issues and taking steps towards sustainable. However, the journey is far from complete. True ethical fashion goes beyond marketing. It required fairness, transparency, and accountability at every stage of production. If H&M can commit fully to these principles, it can be potential to inspire positive change across the entire fashion industry.